See, it's a telescoping steering wheel. Now, on to the steering wheel. Alright. Well, let's get him straight. It's amazing. You got to have everything. I forgot the old days, everything locked. So we're going to do this by hand. Oh, got a new kit, horn kit. So anyway, I'll show you why. I already had this thing apart once, and I just band-aided it. I don't know why. I just put it back together to make sure it worked. Look at that, see? Pieces. Get that all over there. Alright. And I believe they have this thing mounted upside down. So we'll correct that too while we're in here. I thought the horn button looked upside down. And the more I looked at it, yep, it was. Okay. There we go. That should be towards the bottom. Right. Trying to keep everything in a somewhat of a semblance of an order. And there's another piece. Yeah, I need to take the steering wheel off too. It's a telescoping steering wheel. Cockeyed. Probably seen different kind of pullers people use. Yeah, I got my bolts over yonder. Be right back. Bring loaded. Now we're going to put him down. Now onto my kit. Hope that steering wheel center is good. One thing good with this kit, if you get the order, you pull it apart, there's a breakdown of it. All right. Put him down here. Now, put the indents here. That'll go like that. Big new steering wheel screws. No, I didn't. I dropped one down here. What am I doing? Next goes the telescoping control. Alright. Follow how this works. Unlock. All right, so we got two screws to put in. I think I got two new ones with it. There's the horn button. Have we got two new little screws? Yes, hold on. All right, this is called the Telestar, and these are the two retaining screws. And what it does is the two holes are lined up. All right. I'll kind of show you how it works. It took me a while to figure this out. See, they lock it in that position. All right. Okay, you can see the wheel will not telescope. I'll unloosen it, and here it comes. Take it halfway, tighten it up, and he's there. So that's how he works. I probably won't use that feature. It wouldn't let me change direction. All right. See, that's the Telestar, and these two are the lock bolts. So when you unlock the steering wheel on this lever right here, you turn it up. See, it comes up, and then trying to hold. That's what I was trying to do. Anyway, so that locks him into place. All right, and those two screws hold it in. Now we're going to do the see if that's a little bit better. All right, here's the horn. This little arm is what contacts the ground stud right there. All right, and here's the spacer. And there's the ring right here. Okay. We should be good to go. All right, test time in the city. All right, finally. All right. I'll tell you what it was. My steering column has got parts from both years. This top one's from 87 to 82, and this bottom one is from 79 to 81. Well, I got parts from both of them, and there was when I took this originally apart, there was a spacer that came out, a rubber one, that doesn't show on either print, and that's why I was getting the horn operating all the time. So I put the spacer back in, bang, we're good to go. All right. Well, the steering wheel's good and tight now, and he's locked in good. You notice I can't make that horn beat unless I want it to. So anyway. Well, all right, that'll do it here on this horn and steering wheel repair. One thing you might run into when you work on these older vehicles is you're going behind a lot of other people, and in this case, not only was I missing some pieces, but some of the pieces that were in here that I was going by was installed in the wrong order. So it was no wonder that the horn would go off and the wheel was all loose. So we, by studying, other videos and looking in the manual and the paperwork, we got everything put back together the way it's supposed to be, and it seems to be working good now. So anyway, you just gotta watch. Sometimes you just gotta really watch what you're doing when you're working on these old things. Well, all right. One thing I think that may wear these things out is to get in and out of these cars, these Corvettes. Some people may use the steering wheel to pull themselves in and out. I'm making it a habit to pull out by the A-pillar here, and not put so much strain on the steering wheel. Might do that too, unless you don't need to pull yourself out. Get a little long in the tooth. Now you might need may help yourself in and out of something this low. A car this wide and this long, you would think there'd be a little bit more room in here. But that's the way it is. That's what we go for anyway, right? Right. So, I guess we'll stick a fork in this episode, in this vlog. So I hope it was helpful to anybody that might find this on YouTube. Hope everything's going good with you and yours. Everything's going good here, as far as I know. Wouldn't do me any good to complain if it wasn't. All I can do is just take care of that business. So have a good one, and I hope to see you around on the next one. And with this 75 Corvette, there's going to be some next ones. See ya.